Howdy. We are High Five Incorporated, a company that stands on business. My name is Clint Smith, um, and I am the company manager. We specialize in offshore innovations that are going to have a profound impact on the future, mainly in the energy sector because this is where we figured we can make the most money. Our product is geothermal batteries. Our process is offshore geothermal power production, and our service is called the Rig Eye Drone. Here's the rest of my team that will speak in greater depth about these innovations.
Howdy, I'm John Swiderski, the project lead for our geothermal energy production process. We're going to run this process by having current technology from the oil and gas industry to drill down into geothermal heat sources. Using these heat sources, we're going to pump seawater in, which will produce steam. That steam will then be used to spin turbines, which will produce the electricity that we will send to the power grid for any nearby government and private entities. That steam will also then be continuously pumped through the pipes to the surface where it will be collected as clean drinking water for the local populations. This will solve multiple problems as it will move the production process for energy offshore, not taking up any space which could be better utilized for agriculture or housing for the growing population, as well as providing more clean drinking water for a growing population, which is continuously struggling to meet needs, especially in rural countries.
Howdy, my name is Brooks Rouse, and this is pretty dangerous. Imagine if we had a drone that could survey all of this for you. Introducing Rig Eye. Rig Eye is your eye in the sky. Similar to the Zenith Drone 1000, it captures real-time thermal data, detects gas leaks, and identifies structural problems. But Rig Eye goes further, using predictive analysis and a 3D AI model to pinpoint future failures before they will happen. Rig Eye was designed for offshore oil rigs and gas companies. Rig Eye is wind resistant, waterproof, and has a high quality AI integrated camera to ensure uninterrupted video footage. We're targeting major players like Shell, BP, and Chevron that spend millions on inspections annually and need accurate and real-time diagnostics. From engineering to marketing, our team will develop the Rig Eye to train the AI for these offshore oil rigs and bring it to market. Backed by certified prototypes, regulatory approval, and a scalable business model, Rig Eye isn't just a drone, it's a predictive protection.
Howdy, my name is Hudson Higgins, and I'm the project lead for our geothermal battery products. One of our main focuses here at High Five Inc. is to create disruptive innovations in underutilized markets. Our geothermal batteries are one of the ways that we are driving innovation forward. These batteries are eco-friendly alternatives to lithium batteries that utilize geothermal infrastructure to create a source of renewable and reliable energy. Our geobattery system begins at the surface, where geothermal energy is generated and fed into a surface heat unit, which converts it into heat energy. This heat is circulated underground through an insulated pipe system and then stored in a thermal storage zone far beneath a stable geological location that functions as a natural thermos, retaining heat with little energy loss for extended periods. When the energy is needed, a heat recovery unit captures the stored heat using the same piping system where it is transferred to a usable electrical or thermal energy storage unit for industrial use in buildings. The system is completely closed-loop, chemical-free, and green, providing a low-impact and sustainable alternative to conventional lithium-ion batteries, particularly in regions where conventional energy storage is limited or difficult to utilize.
At High Five Incorporated, we don't just stand a business, we elevate it. Every innovation we bring to the table is purpose-built to meet the rising demand for sustainable energy, smarter infrastructure, and cleaner technology. Here's why High Five is positioned to lead in the future: our product, our process, and our service. At High Five Inc., we believe innovation should be impactful, sustainable, and scalable. With a skilled team, clear vision, and groundbreaking technology, we're ready to disrupt the energy sector and reshape how the world powers tomorrow. Together, we're not just imagining the future, we're building it. Smarter, cleaner, and bolder. Join us. I'm Miller White, and this is High Five Incorporated.
For those of you that may be interested in becoming partners with this business at High Five Incorporated, you're welcome to check out the website, which will be linked below.